Welcome back to Scale Modelers to SMKR. This is your host, Steve. I am super excited to bring you a brand new project, something that we just teamed up with Model Space, and that is the DeAgostini 1/18 scale X-Wing. I just received the first pack in the mail, and if you'll stand by, I'll be right back with a preview of the first pack. And here it is, folks. This is the DeAgostini X-Wing, and this is the Build Your Own Series X-Wing, which is in 1/18 scale. The first 4 issues just came in. I'm really excited about that. It's officially licensed Star Wars product, and it's very impressive to be in 1/18 scale. To give you an idea on what 1/18 scale is, the size of the model is 29.3 inches long, a wingspan of 25.7 inches, a height of 7.4 inches, and weighs 8.8 pounds. So that is going to be a massive model of the X-Wing. This X-Wing course is based on features seen in Star Wars Episode 4, A New Hope, and which happens to be Luke Skywalker's Red 5. And of course you can go ahead, and if you wanted to modify it to any of the fighters, you can do so, but it basically comes in the configuration of Luke Skywalker's Red 5. Here's the backside of the magazines. Now with these magazines, you'll receive a magazine with each issue. Now you'll receive 4 issues per month when you subscribe to this, and it's a total of 25 months. So you'll receive individual parts as they go along, as they're released each month, and you'll be able to assemble as you go. And I think it's a pretty cool concept when they do that. Let's look at the magazine. This is issue 1 that we're looking at here real quick. And just to save time, I'm not going to go through all the issues. We'll go through those individually as we build along with the kit here. But each issue typically will give you creating the starship fleet in your index. You'll get starfighter aces, and you'll get building the X-Wing itself, which is actually the instructions on the kit parts. Now you can see it takes us right into Ralph McQuarrie's concept art for the X-Wing, and then of course we do proceed on here and look at some more of Ralph McQuarrie's art of the X-Wing going through the Death Star. That's pretty cool there. Then we have a nice article here about Luke Skywalker, and then he's the first ace, which brings us to about this kit itself. This kit does represent from Star Wars A New Hope, which is Red 5. So this is what you'll be building with this kit. I'm super excited to see the color illustrations that are found within this magazine too. They're pretty nice, I think. And then we get right into the assembly of the cockpit canopy, the cannons, and the astromech droid, which is R2-D2. Now this kit will be movable, and it will be lighted, so that's going to be even cooler to see that in action. This kit does represent, like we were saying, 1/18 scale, and we'll look at that here in a second. Here is issue 1, and here are the parts that come with issue 1. We can see it comes with part of the laser cannon and the canopy itself. Canopy is pretty large. We'll want to scale that up to show you a comparison with the canopy here. This is a popular 1/72nd X-Wing. We can see the size of the canopy as compared to this X-Wing. It's almost the same size as that X-Wing, so 1/18 scale is pretty huge when we're talking about the size of this kit here. If you'd like to see another size comparison, then if you're a Lego fan, you can see how big the canopy for this X-Wing is to the canopy on this Lego X-Wing itself. So, you know, right then and there, you can see you're talking about a massive model in scale there, 29 inches long and 25 inches wide, around 9 pounds total in weight. So that's going to be a huge model. It's going to be, you're going to have movable wings, and it's going to be lighted. And lastly, we'll just show you the scale wise. This is 1/144th scale compared to 1/18th scale. So there you go. It's a large kit. Here is issue 2. And these are the parts that come with issue 2. You can see it gives us a little bit of the cockpit floor and some more parts of R2-D2 along with the laser cannons. So that's pretty awesome there. It's a pretty heavy metal floor too. So this is showing you just how heavy this item will be, because this is a pretty large piece here. Here's issue 3, and here are the parts. Once again, we got some more parts, internal workings of the laser cannon along with R2-D2, and we get the screwdriver. Most of this kit will be assembled with the screwdriver. It is magnetized on the end to help us so we don't lose any of the screws. And lastly, here's issue 4, and here are the parts that come with issue 4. Looks like we get some more structures for the cockpit, some more R2-D2, and a battery pack, and some of the lights. So in order to keep these videos short and detailed, I'm going to show each individual issue in its own video. So please stand by for that. And there you have it. This was the Build Your Own officially licensed Star Wars X-Wing model in an impressive 1/18th scale inspired by the movie Star Wars A New Hope. So if you would, hit the like and subscribe to this video. Also hit the bell so you can get any updates on any uploads that I may be doing. And if you want to subscribe to this, please head over to model-space.com, and I'll put a link down below in that, and you can subscribe to this. The first 20 subscribers who use my discount code will receive their first package for free. That's all I have for now. Stay tuned for issue 1. Happy modeling, everybody, and may the Force be with you.